Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make part modeling or solid modeling with NXSIEMENS CAD software. First, you click the NXSIEMENS twice and then waiting for the process loading. Okay, still process, and then drag this history tab and then click new. After click new, you give the name in this column. Okay, today we are going to see you how to make the brush tab. Okay, write on your keyboard 3.2 brush step. Oh, click OK. Today I starting sketch from here, from this side. Okay, click sketch and then choose or select on plane. Click in this plane and click OK. After that, you click on profile and drawing like this. Drawing like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, click from the point 1. Okay, sorry, click profile 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, okay, right click and OK. Click in this line and choose this vertical. Okay, after that you give the dimension. The dimension is 32. Click and on repeat dimension, click this line and this line and give the dimension 32. Okay, and then from this to this is 13. Click repeat dimension again, click this line and this line, drag on bottom, give the dimension on your keyboard, enter twice, and then from this to this is 35. Click repeat dimension, click on this point and this point, click and in this and give the dimension 35, enter. Okay, the sketch is error, you must drag on the top. Okay, like this, and then give the dimension 13. Click repeat dimension again, click this point to this point, and then click on your keyboard 13. Okay, after that you give the same dimension in this area. From this to this is 22. Click repeat dimension, click on this to this, drag on the bottom and give the dimension is 22. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained with one auto dimension. Okay, we will give this dimension. I will see the picture again. The height is 75. Okay, click on this, click twice and give the dimension 75 and enter. Okay, click close, and then the sketch is fully constrained. The sketch is already for extrude. Okay, the total dimension is the total dimension is 102. Okay, but I will make first 22 first. I will make 22 first. Okay, I will extrude, finish sketch, and then you click in trimetric or home, and then you choose the extrude, and then click your curve or your line, give the dimension. Maybe I will reverse the direction, and then give the distance is 22. Click apply and then cancel. Okay, after that you must make this wall. Okay, I will make with the manual method, and then you must click on here, you must select sketch and then select this and click OK. After that you click on rectangle and then choose this by 2 point. Okay, click on this to this. Okay, right click and OK. You click on this to this, click the coincident point. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained with one auto dimension. Okay, you click in this point to this point and then choose the coincident. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. After that you can click finish and then select extrude command and then click this, and then you give the dimension. The dimension is 13. Click on your keyboard 13. Okay, click enter and then apply. Okay, after that you can make this. Okay, to make this form you click sketch and then click on this and click OK. After that you click on profile and then click from this to this, and this and this point. Okay, click on this point to this point and you choose the coincident, because the dimension is have same dimension. The dimension is 13 like this. Okay, sorry, and then click this point to this point and click the coincident. After click coincident you check on this bottom, the sketch is fully constrained. The sketch is fully constrained, meaning that the sketch is ready for extrude. After that you click finish sketch and then you select extrude command and click on this. Okay, give the dimension is 32. Okay, in the boolean or unit you click unit and give the dimension is 32 and then click enter. Okay, sorry, for this I'm not ready to make unit, so click twice or click on this. Okay, already unit, and then I will make this like this. Okay, click sketch and select this area and then click OK. Okay, no problem for this, and then sketch curve and then you select project curve to copy the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then click apply. After that the sketch is already and finish sketch, and then click extrude command, and then click this line, and then give the dimension. The dimension is same like this, 13. Okay, click on your keyboard 13 and then enter. Don't forget for unit selection, and then apply, cancel, and then after that you make this is same like as this. Okay, click sketch command and then click on this and click OK. After that, just the sketch curve and then click the project curve. Okay, for rotate, for this rotate command, you can hold the scroll of your mouse. Okay, click the sketch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then apply. The sketch is already copied, and then click cancel, and then finish sketch and select extrude command, and then select curve or line, and then give the dimension. The dimension is 22. Okay, you must click in this and click on the on your keyboard 22. Okay, click apply, cancel, and then your model is already, but you must cut extrude. Okay, click sketch and then just this area and then click OK. After that, you click this profile and then click point to point, point and point. Okay, right click and click OK, and then finish sketch. After that, you click extrude, and then don't forget select subtract, and then you select the curve, select this curve, and then reverse the direction and then apply. Okay, for this side you can use the mirror command. So you need a plane or you need the center of plane. Okay, I will make plane on the center of the object. Click datum plane and then click side and side. The plane is already to make it, and then click apply, click cancel, and then you can looking for mirror feature. Click more, and then you still looking for mirror feature. In this more mirror feature, click one, and then you select feature. I select this extrude and I select for plane. You select this center of plane and then choose datum plane of datum plane. Okay, if you see the rectangular in this area, so maybe the mirror feature is already can make it, and then click apply and then click cancel. Okay, your model is already make it. Okay, for hide this line or this curve, you can going to the view and then click show and hide, and then click this and click this. Okay, if you want to change the color of this object, you can choose the render and then click through shading. Okay, the model already turned to change, and then click global materials and you give or you can select anything you want. Click this for the example. Okay, your model is already make it. Okay, thank you for your see my video, and Nice to meet you.